In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking on monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a simple hours column so you and your team can record time spent on each task directly inside your board. We'll keep it quick, clear, and practical. First, open monday.com and head to the board where you want to track time. In this example, I'm using a board called Trial Management, but you can use any board that holds your tasks or projects. The key idea is that every item on the board will get its own place to store hours, so you can see effort right alongside statuses, owners, and due dates. If you're working in a shared workspace, make sure you have permission to edit the board. If you can add or rearrange columns, you're good to go. Next, look for the option to add a new column. You'll typically find an Add Column button or a plus icon near the top of your board. Clicking this doesn't change any existing data, it simply opens the column center where you can choose what kind of information you want to capture. Columns in monday.com are like fields in a spreadsheet. They store one type of data for every item. This is perfect for time tracking because it keeps inputs consistent and easy to scan. If your board is busy, don't worry. You can always reorder the new column later to place it next to your most important fields like item name or status. So updating time becomes part of your normal workflow. From the column options, choose hour. This adds an hours-based field to your board, giving each item a straightforward place to record time. Think of it as a simple log for how long a task took. Team members can click into any cell in that column and enter the number of hours associated with that item. It keeps the process lightweight and avoids the complexity of timers, while still giving you clear, comparable numbers across tasks and groups. If you want, you can rename the column to something like hours spent or time log so everyone understands exactly how to use it. Consistency helps a lot here. Agree on a format with your team, such as whole hours or decimals, so your totals make sense at a glance. And that's it. Open your board, add a column, and choose hour. With those three moves, you've set up a simple, reliable way to capture time on every task. Keep it visible, keep it consistent, and watch how much easier it becomes to understand effort, plan capacity, and report progress across your projects.